Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine. Uh, Today is our lesson unit 17 and the topic we will study is friction. Advantages of friction and disadvantages of friction and ways to reduce friction. How we can reduce friction. Okay. Friction. What is friction? Friction is a force that can be produced even if the surfaces of two objects just touch each other. When the two objects touch each other, they produce friction. When you, for example, when you rub your palms together, they become they produce heat and become warm. You can do it home as well. Advantages of friction. Friction plays an important role in our daily life. It is helpful to us in many ways. First advantage of friction, the friction between your shoes and ground stop you from slipping. When you walk, there produced a friction between your shoes and the earth. So you can move on the ground with the help of friction. The second point for friction, advantages of friction. Frictional force helps car to move forward without slipping on the road. How it can move on the road? You can see there is a treads on the tire. So with the help of treads, the tire has a good grip on the road and it move fastly and smoothly. Frictional force. And the next is friction help you to write. If there is no friction within the pencil and your finger, the pencil would slip out of your finger. Without friction, your pencil would run over the page, not leaving a mark. Without friction, you cannot write in simple words or in other words. Disadvantages of friction. Friction can also create some problems, as you know that when you run a machine for a long time, you can see that the tire wear away, or machine become useless. Or the relationship between friction, when there is a rough surface, there more friction than the plain or smooth surfaces. Plain and smooth surfaces have less friction, whereas the rough surfaces have more friction. Since it creates heat, friction can become a problem when working with machines. When you work with machine, friction create problem and heat. Friction also tend to wear away things, causing damage. They cause damage to the things. For example, the sole of your shoes. When you walk daily, regularly, like walking, jogging, your shoes wear off. It is due to friction. Your pencil and eraser wear away due to friction. When you use daily your pencil and eraser, you can see that they wear away. Anything that you would like to slide easily would work better without friction. When you need to slide, you can do it better when there is no friction. Okay. Ways to reduce friction. Smooth surfaces, as you all know that I have told you in the disadvantages, that rough surfaces have more friction whereas smooth surfaces has less friction. There is also they told you that smooth surfaces have less friction. So by smoothing or polishing surfaces, friction is decreased. When you smooth or polish any surface, when you make any surface smooth or polished, friction is decreased. Do you know why boric powder is used on a carom board? Because it is a powder which reduce friction, and so the striker move faster, sliding smoothly on the board. Lubrication is a way to reduce friction. Is first way to reduce friction. Lubrication like oil, grease, these are the liquid which reduce friction. They not only reduce friction, they can also prevent parts of machine from wearing away. It helps in two activities. First of all, they reduce friction, and the second point, they prevent parts of machine from wearing away. And the next, streamlining. What is streamlining? When you can see your car is a streamlined, and and you also see aeroplanes, they are all streamlined bodies. The birds you see flying are also streamlined. The streamlined things reduce friction because air flows smoothly over them and they move fluently, smoothly. The shape of vehicle which move through air or water are designed in such a way that they reduce friction between the vehicle and air they are moving through. Okay students, today's lesson is over. Stay safe, stay calm. Allah Hafiz.